Hello everyone and welcome to the TravelZm channel. Today, we're delving into the thrilling world of fearless female solo travel. It's a topic that resonates with many as it's all about embracing independence, courage, and the spirit of adventure. We'll be sharing some invaluable tips that you simply can't miss, whether you're a seasoned explorer or just starting out on your solo travel journey. So buckle up for a journey into the world of fearless female solo travel. You might be wondering, why travel alone? Well, there's a certain magic to setting out on a journey all by yourself. Picture this. You, free as a bird, with the liberty to explore at your own pace, to follow your own path, to make your own discoveries. There's no compromise on where to go or what to do. It's all about you and your wanderlust. But it's not just about freedom. Solo travel is a journey of self-discovery, a chance to delve deeper into who you are. As you navigate through unfamiliar territories, you uncover layers of your own resilience, adaptability, and courage. And let's not forget the people you'll meet along the way. Striking up conversations with locals or fellow travelers, you'll find yourself immersed in a melting pot of cultures, stories, and friendships. For women, this can be particularly empowering. It's about breaking boundaries, challenging stereotypes, and embracing independence. Indeed, solo travel can be a transformative experience. When it comes to solo travel, safety is paramount. Traveling alone can be a thrilling adventure, but it also comes with its own set of challenges. One of the most important aspects to consider when embarking on a solo journey is safety. With the right precautions and mindset, you can navigate your way through any travel experience with confidence and ease. First and foremost, researching your destination beforehand is crucial. The more you know about the local customs, language, and laws, the better you can blend in and avoid unnecessary attention. Know the safe and unsafe areas, understand the local transportation system, and familiarize yourself with common scams that target tourists. Knowledge is power, and in this case it's your first line of defense. Staying alert is another key aspect of safe solo travel. This doesn't mean living in a constant state of paranoia, but rather being aware of your surroundings. Keep an eye on your belongings, especially in crowded places. Don't let the excitement of new experiences distract you from basic safety precautions. Keeping important documents secured is a must. Your passport, identification, and travel documents are your lifeline when you're in a foreign land. Always keep them in a safe place. Consider carrying photocopies and digital copies of these documents as backup. Also, share your travel itinerary with a trusted friend or family member so someone knows your whereabouts at all times. Lastly, trust your instincts. If something feels off, it probably is. Your gut feeling is often your best guide. Don't be afraid to change your plans or take extra precautions if you feel uncomfortable. Safety, while traveling alone, is more than just a checklist of precautions. It's a mindset of being proactive, alert, and aware. It's about making smart decisions and trusting your judgment. So, whether you're exploring a bustling city, trekking through a remote wilderness, or simply enjoying a peaceful beach, remember these safety tips. They'll not only keep you safe but also allow you to fully immerse yourself in the joy of solo travel. Remember, your safety is always the top priority. A well-planned journey leads to a successful adventure. You've probably heard this before, and it's especially true for solo travel. Planning doesn't have to be a chore. In fact, it's part of the excitement, building anticipation for the amazing trip ahead. The first step is booking your accommodations in advance. This doesn't just mean booking a hotel or hostel. Consider alternative choices like bed and breakfast, guest houses, or even a local's couch. By securing your accommodations early, you're not only ensuring a place to rest your head each night, but you're also setting a stable base for your exploration. Next, familiarize yourself with the local customs and culture of your destination. This means understanding the basic do's and don'ts, which can range from proper dining etiquette to appropriate attire. By respecting the local culture, you're more likely to receive respect in return, leading to more meaningful interactions with the locals. But remember, it's not about changing who you are, it's about showing respect and understanding for the place you're visiting. Packing light is another essential tip. You're on your own, so you'll be responsible for carrying your luggage. Think practical and versatile when choosing your outfits. Also, don't forget to pack a few comfort items, like your favorite book or a picture of loved ones. These can make unfamiliar places feel a bit more like home. Lastly, but most importantly, have an emergency plan. Know the local emergency numbers, identify the nearest hospitals, and always let someone know where you're going. This might seem like a bit much, but in the unlikely event that something does go wrong, You'll be grateful you took the time to prepare. So, there you have it. A few tips to help you plan your solo journey. Remember, the key to a successful adventure is not just the destination, but also how well you've prepared for the journey. With careful planning, you can ensure a smooth and enjoyable journey. Now that you're prepared, it's time to embrace the journey. Traveling solo is more than just a physical journey, it's a journey of the soul that allows you to grow and evolve. It's an opportunity to explore the world and yourself, to break free from your comfort zone and see life through a new lens. Be open to new experiences. They are the essence of solo travel. Each day brings with it a new opportunity, a new adventure. Whether you're trying a local cuisine, learning a local dance, or simply wandering through the bustling markets, embrace these moments. They are the memories that will stay with you long after your journey ends. Don't shy away from making friends with locals. They are the gatekeepers of their culture and traditions. Engaging with them not only enriches your travel experience but also gives you a deeper understanding of the place. You'll be surprised at the warmth and hospitality that you'll receive. Take time to appreciate the little things. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee in a quaint cafe, the sound of waves crashing against the shore, the sight of a stunning sunset. These are the moments that make your journey truly magical. And remember, every challenge you face is part of the adventure. It's these challenges that will make you stronger, braver, and more resilient. They are the stories that you'll share, the experiences that will shape you. So go ahead, embrace the journey and the wonderful experiences it brings. Before we conclude, let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We delved into the exhilarating world of solo travel, discussing its many benefits. From the freedom to set your own pace to the growth and confidence that comes from navigating unfamiliar terrains, solo travel can truly be a transformative experience. We then focused on the paramount importance of safety. Being aware of your surroundings, knowing the local customs, and keeping your loved ones informed of your whereabouts are essential practices for every fearless female explorer. We also discussed the crucial role of planning. A well-planned journey can mitigate potential risks and make your travel experience smoother. Yet, we also highlighted the importance of flexibility and embracing the unexpected. Remember, the journey is as important as the destination. Embrace it, learn from it, grow with it. Thanks for joining us today on TravelZm. Stay fearless and happy travels.